Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're putting together some outfits, a lot of neutrals today. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So for the first look, I'm going with this free assembly vest. It has that mock neck when it's buttoned up all the way, oversized tortoise buttons, these two pockets, also has that belt. It's completely lined in the inside with the neon fabric and that same kind of relaxed fit through the back. So it comes in the green, also in the camel with the pink, and I'm gonna go with the green. These are gonna be $38. For the top, I'm going with the Time and True waffle long sleeve. So these have that crew neckline. So relaxed fit. You could size down one for more of a fitted look. If you want it super fitted, size down two. Has that ribbed wrist in the oatmeal, burgundy, black. There's green, rust, pink, purple, gray, and gold. And I'm going to go with the beige. And for denim, I'm going with the free assembly street jeans. So when I shared these in yesterday's video, I think these are on sale for under $10. They're high-waisted, has that one little rip at the knee, raw hem pockets with some distressing on the back. They're regularly between $32 and $27. Like I said, there's some colors under $10. For jewelry, I'm going with the Time and True chunkier gold hoops. These are $3.88. Then this necklace set from Time and True. So it's a 15-inch extender. There's multiple necklaces, also $3.88. For a bag, I'm going with this newer waist bag from No Boundaries. So this one is a sneak peek item. You can wear it around your waist or as a sling bag. It has the grommet detailing on the strap. These are $18.98. For shoes, I'm going with these Chelsea style boots from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded toe, the chunky heel, this rib detailing on zipper on the inside, comes in the beige, also in the black. They're going to be $29.98. I'm going to go with the beige color. It's the finished look. Next look, I'm starting off with the crew neck waffled seamless tops from No Boundaries. So these have that higher neckline. It's fitted through the wrist. Nice length through the front and the back. Comes in black, pink, white. There's green, purple, and they're $7.98. Pairing it with the Time and True. This is the raincoat. So this one has, or trench coat, has that nice oversized collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, relaxed to the wrist, has that side pocket, lined on the inside with the same detailing in the back. Also has that belt. Comes in the camel, also in the black. I'm going to go with the black. With the wide leg pants from Madden NYC. So these have that pleated detailing side pocket, nice and flowy through the front and the back. Comes in the khaki, also in the black. They're going to be $18. Jewelry, I'm going with this set from Believe by Brilliant. You get the earrings and the necklace for $15.94. Sunglasses, I like these rectangle style. So these are, it says Polar Shield Polaroids, and it also fits over glasses, but they don't look like super chunky. These are $11.97. And for a bag, with this flap style bag from Time and True. So this one has that side compartment, that flap top, lots of little compartments. It's $19.98. Also comes in ivory, pink, purple, and green. Shoes, I'm going to go with these Converse dupes from No Boundaries. So these have that rounded toe. They're canvas. This is the slight platform version. They're going to be $17.98. These also come in the white and the pink. These are not the platform, so that's the difference between the two. It's a finished look. Next look, I'm going with the No Boundaries rib tank tops. You guys know I love these. They're under $3. They sell them in like a multi-pack online. Some are even on sale. Very true to size. If you want some length, you can size up. They also come in the burgundy. There's pink, lime, green, red. There's gold, a baby pink, and black. With this cardigan from No Boundaries. So this one's open front, has that fringe detailing. It's kind of like a handkerchief hem. Same kind of relaxed fit through the back. Comes in the burgundy with the taupe and white. There's also black with the beige and olive green with the brown. They're $18.98. Because I'm going to do a boot, I want to pair it with the Time and True skinny jeans. So I've shared these before. They have a couple different washes. This mid-tone, there's also the dark indigo and black. I think I'm gonna go with this color. I just love this one. These are very comfortable and stretchy. They're under $18. They also have them in straight leg and then a high-rise curvy, which I think is a skinny, but it's gonna give you some more room in the tummy and hip area. I'm going with this is the No Boundaries. It's a stud bag, has that top zip, also has this flat compartment kind of like hidden. These are $18.94. Also comes in the burgundy color. I'm gonna go with the brown. Jewelry, I'm going with the bigger gold hoops. These are from Time and True. They're $3.88. It's a multi-strand gold bracelet set. This one's from Time and True. It's $6.92. It has the black onyx. Going with these boots from No Boundaries. They have that pointed toe, the chunky heel. They're pull-on with the zipper detail. These come in a few different colors. I know there's a black and white on the website that I really love. They're $34.98. It's a finished look. Look, I'm going with the No Boundaries mock neck rib top. So these are nice and stretchy, really good length, fitted through the wrist, also in the back. Comes in the black. There's also beige, red, burgundy, brown, navy. They're solid white. They're under $8. Bottoms, I'm going with the No Boundaries. This is a pull-on kind of skirt. Actually, it's the zipper, but they're nice and stretchy. They have the built-in shorts, a little slit on the side. Seam detailing in the back, comes in the black, also in the brown color. They're under $13. Pairing it with the Celebrity Pink jacket. So I really love this one. Has that nice size collar, snap buttons, the two flat pockets, button detail on the wrist, really good length in the back with the seam across. It comes in this checked denim, also that beige color. It's also like a denim material. They're $27.50. With the rhinestone hoops from Time and True, these are $3.88. I'm going with this top flap little houndstooth print from Madden NYC. We saw these in a few other colors. They're $24. There's so many shoes that could go with this look. I could do the Western boots in the black. Could do a loafer. Also these knee boots. These have that chunky heel. They're from No Boundaries. I think these would be good if you did tights. I think I'm just going to go with these. They're $24.98. It's the finished look. Next look, I'm starting off with the Time and True slip skirt. So these are so nice for the price. They have the elastic around the back, little slit on the front, nice and flowy. Also comes in solid black, burgundy. I picked this one up. The green leopard, and they're $14.98. But I'm going to go with this rust and blue leopard. I'm gonna go with this slouchy little hatchy top from Time and True. I think if you wanted more of a fitted look, you could also do the square neck top. Comes in that rust color that matches perfectly. But I'm gonna have this like kind of slouch look tucked in. These are going to be $13.98. With this bag from Time and True. So this one has lots of little compartments, has the adjustable strap. You can also remove it. Pretty sure a lot of these prints and colors are on sale. They are limited in stores, but they have a lot online. These drop blue earrings would be fun, just like to pick up the blue in the skirt. They're $6.92. Says they're hypoallergenic. Going with this necklace from Time and True. It's $5.88. It says it's a 36-inch. I think for shoes, there's so many good options. I think the loafers or the Mary Janes are going to look really cute. I go with these Mary Janes from Time and True. So these look like they're online only. They have that rounded toe, this little elastic strap, really on trend for fall. They're going to be $22.98. It's the finished look. Look, I'm going with this sleeveless dress from Free Assembly. It has that mock neckline. It's sleeveless, really nice length through the front and the back. Comes in the stripe, also the black and white. I'm gonna go with this one, and they're gonna be $30. And then to wear on your shoulder, you can throw it on this crew neck sweater from Free Assembly. So this one has the ribbing on the neckline, also oversized on the wrist and at the bottom. They're nice, lightweight, perfect for year-round. In the black, also comes in gold, pink, and white. They're $22. I'm gonna go with the black, but I think the pink would be a fun pop of color too. I'm going with this pearl set from Believe by Brilliant. So this one comes with the 18-inch necklace, also the pearls. The set's $19.94. I'm going with this top handle from Time and True. It also has the shoulder strap, lots of compartments. They're $22.98. Here's I'm going to go with these loafers from Time and True. So these have a patent leather sheen, that chunky heel. They're $22.98. To finish look, for the next look, I'm going with these wide leg pants from Time and True. So these are high-waisted, side pocket, has the belt loops. They do have them in short length, and then the little cargo style pocket on the leg with pockets in the back. They're going to be $4.98. Going with the white button down from Time and True. This is the oversized option. You can also do the more fitted option, just size up. The oversized option is $20. The more fitted is, I think it's like $15. It's like $14.98. But I'm gonna go with the oversized option. This one also comes in some stripes. And to wear underneath, I'm gonna go with the seamless crop top from No Boundaries. They have a couple options. You could also do the more low-cut Henley. They have that V-neck, and then this Henley tank option, but I'm gonna go with this one. They're gonna be $7.98. Clip from Time and True. So it also comes in blue, pink, the rainbow, a sparkly pink, beige, and then that iridescent white. They're $5.88. I'm gonna go with these like triangle shaped hoops. They're $3.88 from Time and True. This necklace set from Time and True is $3.88, so you get the two necklaces, 16/8 and 18-inch. For a bag, I'm going to pair it with this top handle option from Time and True. It has that snakeskin detail, also the snakeskin strap. This one also comes in solid black. It's $24.98. For shoes, I'm going to go with the sneakers from No Boundaries. These have the rounded toe, the cap. This option is the platform. We use the non-platforms in the look earlier. And the platforms are going to be $19.98. To finish look. Next look, I'm going with this little mini skirt from No Boundaries. So this one has that belt, seam detailing, the little slit, nice and stretchy. Elastic through the back, comes in the black, also in the gray. They're $12.98. Here with the gold mock neck top from Free Assembly. So this one has that ribbing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbing at the bottom. It is a longer kind of tunic length. Comes in the gold, also the navy and white stripe. And they're going to be $24. For a bag, I'm going to go with this saddle option. This one's from Time and True, so it has that snap closure, also 2 zippered compartments. This one comes in a bunch of different colors. It's $18.98. I'm going to go with this cuff from Time and True. It has a black kind of detail. These are $6.92. They also have this cuff, which I think will match perfectly. With this gold kind of drop earring with the rhinestones from Time and True, these are $3.88. And with the black knee boots from Time and True, so these have that almond toe, chunky heel. They also have a heeled option online. These are $24.98. I think the heeled option is a little pricier. To finish look. This look, I'm going to do just like a casual lounge set, but you can run out if you need to. So online, these are already paired together. So it's like the shirt with the pants. In store, it looks like they're separate. So they're stretchy, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbing at the bottom. Comes in the camel, gray, black, and green. They're $12.98 for the separate. They're so good for the price. The joggers have the elastic waistband, side pocket, true jogger bottom, also $12.98. With this vest from Time and True, so these are mock neck when it zipped up all the way, sleeveless, completely quilted, has that side pocket, same fit through the back with the same detailing. Comes in black. There's also beige, pink, and green. I'm going to go with the black for $14.98. For bag, I'm going to go with this crossbody style from Time & Tru. So this one is that front pocket, also that top zipper, and the side zipper. They're under $15. Jewelry, I like this set from Believe by Brilliance. You get the little heart earrings and necklace for $15.94. I'm going to do a hat. So these are from Time & Tru. They're like a canvas material. $5.94. It comes in black. There's lots of solid options. Also lots of prints. I'm going to do the black. It with my favorite slippers from Joyce Bun. So these have that rubbered bottom so you can wear them outdoors. It's genuine suede material with this really plush inside. This year they are $16.98. So they also come in the black. And then they have a platform option. These come in a bunch of different colors. The platforms are going to be $18.98. I'm going to do this classic chestnut. The finished look. Next look I'm going with one of my favorite prints this season in this jacket from No Boundaries. So this has the flat pockets, full button down, has the button detail, hood in the back. These are going to be $18.98. Here with this graphic tee from Time & Tru. So this is one of the newer prints. I think the colors really match nicely. But you can do any tee. You could use like a white. They're under $10. Here with the best leggings. These are the Time & Tru photo the leggings. I love these. They're just like these Spanx. $15. Comes in the black. Also in the brown. And I'm going to go with these aviators from Foster & Grant. So these have that chain detail. I do have these. They're $11.97. And for a bag, I'm going to go with this little mini backpack from Time & Tru. These come in a bunch of different colors. The quality is really nice. I think they're under $17. Sunglasses, I'm going with these oversized aviators from Foster & Grant. These are one of my favorite sunglasses. They're $11.97. I like the black studs, but you get 6 pairs for $5.88. How pretty are those? I'm going to go with these Western style boots from Time & Tru. So these have that slouch, pointed toe, chunky heel, $24.98. It's the finished look, but I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.